Welcome to my YouTube channel AFK Educationist. Today, we will discuss the modern concept of education. Education is one of the most important factors in human development. In the past, education was considered merely the process of acquiring knowledge. However, the modern concept of education is much broader and more comprehensive. Meaning of modern education. Modern education is a continuous process that aims at the all-round development of an individual. It helps learners develop intellectually, socially, emotionally, morally, and physically. According to the modern view, education is not limited to schools and colleges. It continues throughout life and helps individuals adapt to changing social and technological environments. Features of modern education. 1. Learner-centered. The learner is the center of the educational process. Students actively participate in learning activities. 2. Development of critical thinking. Students are encouraged to analyze, evaluate, and solve problems independently. 3. Focus on skills. Modern education develops communication, collaboration, creativity, and digital skills. 4. Lifelong learning. Learning continues throughout life and is not restricted to formal institutions. 5. Use of technology. Digital tools, online learning platforms, and educational technologies are integrated into teaching. 6. Practical learning. Emphasis is placed on real-life experiences and practical applications. 7. Inclusive education. Equal educational opportunities are provided to all learners regardless of background. Objectives of modern education. To develop the personality of learners. To promote critical and creative thinking. To prepare individuals for social and professional life. To develop moral and ethical values. To encourage lifelong learning. To prepare students for a rapidly changing world. Importance of modern education. Modern education helps individuals become responsible citizens, productive workers, and lifelong learners. It contributes to economic growth, social development, and technological advancement. It also promotes tolerance, understanding, and global awareness. Conclusion. In conclusion, the modern concept of education emphasizes the holistic development of individuals. It goes beyond the transmission of knowledge and focuses on developing skills, values, attitudes, and competencies necessary for success in the modern world.